Hello everyone. Today we'll be going through Cambridge IGCSE. This is International Mathematics 0607, 23 October number 2021, and this is paper 2 extended. And keep in mind this is a non-calculator. You can't use calculator in this paper. And let us move to question number 1. Question number 1 says work out this expression. We need to simplify. So minus 2 and plus into minus will be minus 3 and minus into minus will be plus 4, and this will be resulting to minus 5 plus 4, which is equal to minus 1, and minus 1 will be our final answer for this 1 mark question. Similarly, B part we need to simplify. If we open the first two terms, it will be minus 2 into minus 3 will be plus 6 and multiply by minus 4, so this will be equal to minus 24. So minus 24 will be answer for 1 mark. Question number 2. Question 2, these numbers are given from this list. Write on a prime number. Prime number is divisible by itself and 1 only. So 97 is the prime number. This is also 1 mark question. Question number $326 is divided into 3 shares and ratio is 1, ratio 2, ratio 4. So sum of ratios we can write 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 7. So find the value of the largest share. Now largest share is this 4. 4 out of 7 multiply by 126, so $126, and this one we can simplify. 7 ones are 7, and this will be 7 ones are 7, and 7 8s are 56, and 18 into 4 will be 72, and our answer will be $72 for 2 marks. Now question number 4, we need to solve this algebraic equation. We will send this minus 2 to other side, and it will be 2x is equal to 5. X will be equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 we can write it as 2.5 in decimal format, and 2.5 will be our answer for 1 mark. Now B part, this is the algebraic equation. We can shift this plus 2x to other side, so we'll get 5x minus 2x, and minus 3 also we can send to other side, so minus 12 plus 3, so adding like terms, so it will be 3x is equal to minus 9, so x will be equal to minus 9 by 3, which is resulting to minus 3, and minus 3 will be answer for 2 marks. Now question number 5. Question number 5 says there are 650 students in school. The table shows the favorite color of each of the students, and this is number of students favorite color: blue, green, red and yellow. So green and yellow are unknown, x and 2x, and rest we can check. Blue is 120 and red is 280, and they're saying find the value of x. So first of all, whatever known values of red and blue we will subtract from 640. So 640 minus 120 plus 280, and this will be equal to 640 minus this will be 400, and this will be equal to 240. So 240 are divided into yellow and green color, so we can write x plus 2x is equal to 240, and 3x will be equal to 240. This implies x is equal to 240 over 3, and this one, so 3 ones are 3 and 3 80s are 240, so 80 will be the value of x, which is for 2 marks. Now for the second part, B part, this is find the relative frequency of the students whose favorite color is red. Give your answer as fraction's lowest form. So red is 280, so we can write 280 out of 640 total, and now we have to simplify. 0 can be cancelled, and then we can cancel by 4. 4 sevens are 28, and 4 16s are 64, so this will be answer will be 7 over 16. This will be answer which we can provide over here. for 2 marks. Now question number 6, we have to simplify this expression and we can write it as 25 into 5, basically 25 into 3 under root, and minus this one we can write 9 into 3. So 25 under root, this portion we can write as 5, so it will be 5 under root 3, minus this will be, this portion can be written as 3, so outside root, so 3 under root 3. So 5 under root 3 minus 3 under root 3 will be resulting to 2 under root 3, and basically 5 under root 3 minus 3 under root 3 will be resulting to 2 under root 3. This will be our final answer for this question. Hopefully you understood this. This is 2 mark question. Now B part, rationalize the denominator and simplify your answer. And rationalization we will be doing 10 over 5 minus under root 5, and opposite sign we will be dividing and multiplying by the same one, and this will be equal to, we can write this as 10 into 5 plus under root 5 divided by, we can apply the formula, and the formula will be a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, and this formula we will be applying on the denominator portion, this one, and this will be resulting to 5 squared minus under root 5 squared, and further we can write this as 10 uh, 10 into 5 plus under root 5 and divided by, this will be 25 minus 5, which is equal to 20, so 10 over 20, and this will be 5 plus under root 5, and 10 will be cancelled and it will be 1 by 2 into 5 plus under root 5. This will be final answer for 3 marks. Hopefully you understood this. Now question number 7, they are saying A is the point this one and B is the point this, calculate AB. So AB length AB is required, so we'll be applying length formula. AB length will be equal to root of x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 squared, and plus y2 minus y1 squared, and this will be 6 squared, and this will be 8 squared, and under root, and we can write this as 36 plus 64 under root, and this is equal to 100 under root. 100 root means 10, so answer will be 10 for 3 marks question. Now question number 8, a regular polygon has 12 sides. Work out the sum of the interior angles of the polygon. So interior angles of the polygon we need to find. 360, we know that the regular polygon has 12 sides. The interior angle we can apply formula n minus 2 into 180, and n is 12 in this case, so we can write 12 minus 2 into 180, and this will be 10 into 180, which is equal to 1800. So 1800 will be the sum of interior angles of the polygon. This is 2 mark question which is done. Now the B part, the interior angle of a regular polygon is x. So interior angle of the polygon is x means what? It means that, for example, so this is the interior angle, this is x, so exterior angle will be like this one, it will be 180 minus x. So this will be the situation. Now they are saying find an expression in terms of x for the number of sides of this polygon, and we know that exterior angles are adding up to 360, so we can write as 360 degree divided by this angle, which is 180 minus x, and this will be the expression which they are asking for. Find the expression in terms of x for the number of sides of the polygon. So we can write here 360 degree over 180 degree minus x. So this is also in degrees, and this is 2 mark question which we are done with. Now we can move to the next question. Question number 9 says expand the brackets and simplify. So we can open the bracket. 5x into 2 will be 10x, and 5x into minus 3x will be minus 15x squared, and minus 3x into 3x will be minus 9x squared, and minus 3x into minus 2 will be plus 6x. And now we can add the like terms. We will be adding these two, so minus 15 and minus 6 minus 9 will be minus 6 minus 9 will be minus 24x squared, and 10x plus 6x will be plus 16x. So we can write minus 24x squared plus 16x as our answer. Question number 10, simultaneous equation we need to solve, and these are two equations. We need to compare the coefficients. Basically, we will be checking the coefficients. We'll have to multiply first equation to equalize the coefficients. First equation we need to multiply by 4, and the second one we will be multiplying by 3, and we will get this implies what? This will be 16x plus 12y is equal to minus 40, and this implies 9x minus 12y is equal to 15, and after that we can add them. So adding, we will be cancelling the y, and this will be 25x is equal to 40 minus 15 will be 25 minus 25, so x will be equal to minus 1. So x value is minus 1. This value we can replace in any of the original equations. I'm replacing in the first one, so 4 into minus 1 plus 3y is equal to minus 10. So this is equal to minus 10, and 3y will be equal to minus 10 and plus 4, and 3y is equal to minus 6, so y is equal to minus 2, so minus 2, and this will be 4 mark question which we are done with. Now question number 11. Question 11 is functions question. F of 2 we need to find, so we will replace x by 2 in f of x, and we'll get 1 over 2 into 2 minus 5, and this is equal to 1 over 4 minus 5, which is equal to minus 1. So this value will be minus 1. Hopefully you are understanding each and everything. Now solve f of x is equal to 5. F of x is what? F of x is 1 over 2x minus 5 is equal to 5. We need to solve this, so we can cross multiply. 10x minus 25 will be equal to 1, so 10x is equal to 26, x is equal to 26 over 10, which is equal to 2.6. So 2.6 will be our final answer for this question, or we can write it as 13 over 5 also in fraction form. Now question number 12. Question number 12, we need to find the value of a, b, c, and for this one we can take this side basically and solve it, and we can write basically what we can do. We can take an LCM. We will be writing 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. What we are doing, I will explain. we are writing these two things over here, and then we will be writing this one numerator and this denominator over here. So it will be 2x minus 3 into 2x minus 3, and then the middle sign, which is this one, we will copy here, and after that we will be writing this denominator and this numerator over here. So it will be 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 3, and this will be basically further we can write it as we can multiply, and this will be 4x squared. 2x into 2x is 4x squared, and minus 2 into 3 will be 6, so minus 6x, and minus 3 into 2x will be minus 6x, and minus 3 into minus 3 will be plus 9. This will be first expression after multiplication, and second expression after multiplication will be 4x squared and plus 6x plus 6x plus 9, and divided by 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. Now further we can open this bracket, and minus sign will be changing the signs of the inner terms. So 4x squared minus, we can write 6x, and 6x will be 12x, and plus 9 minus, now signs will be changed, 4x squared and minus 6x and 6, so 12x and minus 9, and divided by, this will be 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. Now we can cancel whatever terms we can cancel. This one can be cancelled, and minus 9 and minus 9 can be cancelled, and we can write as minus 24x over this one. We can write basically a plus b, a minus b, by the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this one can be written as 2x squared minus 3 squared, which further we can write minus 24x over, this will be 4x squared minus 9. Now we can compare with this given equation. So a value is minus 24, so minus 24, b value is coefficient of x square, which is 4, and c value is basically 9, which we can compare, and this was 4-mark question which we are done. Now question number 13. Question 13 says a bag contains 12 dice. There are 2 red dice and 4 blue, 5 green, and 1 yellow dice. So a dice is um, chosen at random and not replaced. A second dice is then chosen at random. Find the probability that both dices are the same color. So what are the possibilities for the same color? Red, there are 2 red, so we can get red and red, and there are 4 blue, and that one we can take blue and blue, and then we can take green, or also 5, so we can take green and green, but yellow is only 1, so we can't take yellow and yellow because there's only 1 yellow. So these are the possibilities which we can get. So a red, for red it will be, for first red it will be 2 over, because there are 2 red, so 2 over 12, and for the second red it will be 1, because 1 is already gone, and total will be 11, so this will be the probability. And for blue and blue it will be 4 by 12 and 3 by 12, so we can write 4 by 12 into 3 by 11 basically. And for green and green are 5, so we can write 5 by 12 and 4 by 11, and we need to find the probabilities. We need to simplify this. So it will be 2 over 12 multiplied by 11 will be 22, so will be 132, So we can write denominator as 132 plus this will be 12 over 132 plus this will be 20 over 132. So denominators are same, we can add the numerators. So 20 plus 12 will be 32 plus 2 will be 34. So 34 over 132, and further we can cancel this by 2, so 17, and this will be 2 6 are 12 and 2 6 are 12, so 17 over 66. This will be our answer, 17 over 66, and this is 3 marks question. And we are basically done with the paper. Hopefully you understood each and everything. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and also recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows, and introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.